Product parts display. Wipe the mounting surface clean. Put the canister on the foam block for assembly to avoid scratch. Pull out 4 aluminum bars. Align the screw grooves of the slide rails with the screw positions installed on the main body. Insert the roller curtain into the sidebar chute, as well avoid excessive operation leading to product damage. This operation need to reverse the canister hole alignment. The bolt C alignment tia in the screw. The protruding part of the rubber strip is aligned with the groove on the cover plate for installation. Match the top cover exactly to the canister. Align the top cover with the holes on sidebar. Paste the foam on the front bar and cut of the excess parts to make sure aligning on both sides. Installation requires 2 people to carry the product onto the truck bed for safety of personnel and product. Please pay attention to avoid any scratch on vehicle and product surface. Adjust the installation position of the roller until it is in vertical parallel with the truck bed. Push the roll to the end, keep the same distance on both sides. Pieces in total. The installation steps are the same. Do not tighten to spare a gap for installation on the vehicle. Move the sour nut in the quite rail slot to the corresponding position, and then screw on the screw. Parallel to the vehicle, tighten the B and D nuts. Black rubber long screws slightly adjust the horizontal height of the fixed support. This operation need to reverse the canister and install the drain tubes consistently. T ahen the screw. Left the preed. Drilled holes no drilling is required. Left there is no drainage movable plate. Drill holes in the carriage. Remove the truck bed drainage plate on both sides. Drill a P30 mm hole with the above tool. Thread the canister drain tube out of the truck bed. Thread the rear drain tub out, off, tub via original hole around. A left knot, then drill a F20 mm hole above tool. Open the hidden combination lock, enter the correct password, turn the switch. The original password is 000. When changing the password, turn the number roller to the number off password. For example, the unlocking password is 000. Press the hidden button next to it and slide the number roller to set the new password. After confirming, turn the handle to change the password. If you forget the password, please contact us after sales. Thank you for watching.